She said, I want love that'll love me when my hair ain't deep and when the makeup comes off. Yeah. She said, I want love that'll love me when the game is on and his team just lost. Yeah. She said, I want.
Hi guys, and welcome back. So if you are new to my channel, please do the right thing. Subscribe. Join the J Squad. It's absolutely for free. And if you're new and you're just returning, what's up? So today I got my July Boxycharm, and that's what we'll be talking about. If you hear like cartoons in the background, my nephews are over there trying to take a nap. Everybody's in trouble. Okay. We don't do timeouts in this house. You take a whole nap. So this month's Boxycharm theme is road tripping. Everybody in this house was set tripping. And let's see how I feel about this. This is my second box. And let's see. So if you don't have a Boxycharm, but you're thinking about getting one, I hope this video does some kind of justice for you. This is what the package looks like.
What do you know about it? Only you should ask. Allow me to introduce myself.
Okay. And in the back you have like your address. But my videos are so jacked up you couldn't even see my address if you wanted to.
I'm sorry to break this to you all, but
So I'm gonna pull out the first thing. And I like to save the palettes for last. So this is Unlashed Volume Curl Mascara. And it actually kind of looks like
of course not. No one is. It's just massy
lip gloss.
But what about my severely untrimmed? Those are only moderately untrimmed. All the supposed symptoms are just common ailments.
I like this. Interesting. And you know, sometimes I go through my Ipsy or my Boxycharm or whatever I don't like, I put it to the side for the giveaway that I'm going to be doing very soon. So, but this ain't one. So this is from Wanda Beauty, and it retails at $24.
Oh, Gary, I knew you weren't disease-ridden.
So yeah, that's cool. I like that. Keep it. So what else we got in here? What's this? Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream.
Welcome to the Krusty Krab. May I take your order?
Comes up from this side.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Oh, am I supposed to take it off like this?
Who lives in a under the sea? A storm in the yellow and chorus is he. If none of the nonsense be something you wish, then drop on the deck and blow like a fish.
Okay. Well, this is what it looks like. This is eyebrow cream. This is what it looks like. So you take this apart and you have a brush. And then you unscrew this part and you have the cream. And this retails at $26. It just helps to define and shape your eyebrows. And it says it easily collapse from day to day. So we'll see, because I love a good eyebrow. Next thing I'm gonna pull out is Needless No More Baggage. And this is from Dr. Burnt, I think. Say goodbye to Puffy and say hello to you for restful looking eyes. I don't really like deal to me with dark circles or under eye bags.
harder than learning a new trick is creating one. Everyone's got something inside. All you gotta do is milk it.
Alice loves the scent of gained so much. She wished it came in a fabric softener too. Say hello to
It's
your
medicated. It comes out orange. You probably can't really see it. It's like an orangey clear like color. And then when you rub it in, it's a very thick texture. This is retail $42. I don't know. See how I feel about it. I don't know. Let's see what else we got here. We have this. Notes. Illuminating Still Compact Blusher.
And more likely to choose love than first-time parents. Live, learn, and get loved.
And this is in number 5, Desert Rose.
Out the store or to your door. Target ride.
Oh, it comes with a little brush. How cute. The brush was up underneath here. And you have a little compact mirror part.
Like you. Black and brown.
It's like almost like a natural type of vibe. And this is from No Cosmetics. It is retailed at $11.99. It's supposed to be a 3-in-1, which it kind of is. Because it's built in with the mirror, and the blush, and then the brush. But yeah, this is cool. A very small to-go blush, and I'm gonna keep that because I'm a sucker for blush. I don't give a damn what shade it is. Alright, give me a second. What? It's time to go to sleep.
It's not nighttime.
So what? You're in trouble. Yeah.
I'm trouble.
You are in trouble.
No, I'm not. And I'm 15.
All of you. So the last thing I got in my Boxycharm is this.
I'm not in trouble.
What's wrong with the
You need to be excited. Oh, well, use emojis. Well, that's not even there. Done.
And this is a eyelash collection. I don't have it. From Crown Blush. And it's made up of rich, warm shades. They said some are creamy and highly pigmented, so I'm about to see for myself. They have 4 shimmery shades as well as 6 mattes. So, and it's retailed at $39.99, rounded up $30. So, let's take.
Oh, Gary.
These palettes be lit though.
Curiosity salted the snail. Mind your wandering eye, you little mollusk. Sweet dreams, Gary.
Oh yeah. Look at that. It's very creamy. Oh my goodness. It's like silk. And I love it. Oh my goodness. Like if I had to recommend, I would definitely recommend this. Haven't used it and I love it already. Like, I like it. I actually been using last month's palette like damn near every day. So I put this in my other collection. So for this month's Boxycharm, I would give them a 4 out of 5. Just because I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about that no more baggage. Sorry. I just came back from the doctor's in my throat. All the medication, but don't know how I'm gonna feel about the no more baggage, but the rest of the stuff like I'm pretty pumped about using. I think I might even do a video where I'm gonna buy June and July's Boxycharms and create a look. But yeah. So in the description bar I will have my past videos, like last month's unboxing and Ipsy for July. I think I did an Ipsy. No, I didn't do the my road trip edition. What's in my carry-on bag? Like, I'll leave a few things in the description bar that you guys can check out. Until next time, I know that I haven't been very good with my scheduling dates and putting on my videos. It always seems like when I want to upload my videos, my internet decides I want to go haywire. So I'm going to probably look into like a different internet or something, but bear with me because I am trying. Also look out for my podcast because I am starting a podcast. I'm very excited about it. I'm excited about the people who I'm going to be working with and the creative ideas that we're going to probably bounce off each other. So that's something to get into and be excited for. But until next time, be good to thyself and remember to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and even if that friend don't like it in the first 15 seconds, because it's them, they might like it afterwards. Bye guys.